Hello, good morning. Hope you are doing amazing. It's Thursday today and it's very nice weather for now because Chennai is very hot. So yesterday I was watching a clip. Okay, thank you Insta. From Simon Sack, and he was talking about how to focus on it, because when I started my weight loss journey, it was so no. I didn't had a mind to focus. I was just focusing on weight, 10 kg, 20 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg. That's all. In between, what is the process? How to do it? Nothing. I used to focus. I was all hi Saran. I used to always say I can't do it. It's so hard for me to do it. See, our mind is built to take positivity, not negativity. Whenever you say a sentence with I don't know, I cannot do it, our mind is not reading that properly. It say you want it. So you want, actually you don't want it, but you are telling hi Nivya, your mind, that you want it. So I can't do this workout. That means what you are telling to your mind, right? So he shared one example. In skiing is there, right? When people go skiing, I that's one of my dream. I have to go one day, but when I don't know, first I have to learn and then I go. So skiing is something. Hi Ramananj. There are a lot of trees where in the snow area, right? And we have snowfall. So how the skiers can be going? Good morning Shweta. In they ski very correctly. What they do differently, if they focus on the trees, they will go and meet with the accident. So they focus only on the path and they are reaching it. Good morning Sushmita. So you need to focus on your end goal rather than the distraction you're having when you are on your journey. Good morning Shweta. Love the way you have started your yoga. So keep doing it. Be healthy, be safe. So focus is required, because most of the time when we start our weight loss journey, I have seen especially women, they focus on only weight. So weight is a byproduct of how you are going to change your lifestyle. It will happen. So don't focus on weight loss, focus on your strength, stamina and shape. These are the three things you should be focusing, rather than okay, what diet should I eat, because most of them ask what should I eat morning, what should I eat dinner. See, you are living a lifestyle for ages now, so suddenly changing will take time. So you need to give that time and understand. Let me give you a classic example. People, most of the thing, to reduce carbs, they have to reduce only rice, white item. Actual carbs, in higher carb we have in tomatoes and onions. So in a day, if you can reduce, have one onion and one tomato cooked, you are reducing carbs rather than reducing foods you love. So understand what is a diet and how it works for you. So when you are focused on your weight loss, and we have so much information available in social media now, whether you take it reels, Facebook, anything, that we get confused. Should I follow this, should I follow this? For that, either you study by yourself, or shorter your time, hire a mentor, hire a coach, so they can help you to figure out what diet plan you should take, what workout you should do. But still, if you have a mentor and you're not working on high Krish mindset that okay, this is my focus and I should be working on, then that is not going to happen. 1 week, 2 week, you will lose the energy, you will lose the motivation, and you will not do it, because you worked hard, you have spent so much time, you worked out day and night, and you're seeing not even 100 grams is reduced. See, weight changes take time. You need to build a habits and lifestyle to see a proper changes in life. I was focusing only on weight, and I reduced weight. I was looking short but it never sustained. It was like I reduced 20 kg, I'm going back again to my old weight 20 kg another 1 or 2 months time, because again I'm starting eating. I don't understand what food should I eat because I'm so busy, I'm so much working. We give over 8-9 hours to our office, and then we don't have time to take care of our health. But trust me, currently I focus on my energy, whether it's my work, my productivity, efficiency increases, because when you are healthy, you have a positive mindset, you can think creative, and you can do wonders in your place wherever you are, whether you're a homemaker, worker, you can do anything. So focus is important in life. Without focus, without, I see a lot of people when I go for walking, they walk, every day I see those women walking, but there is not even an inch loss is happening in them, because just doing a cardio or just walking will not happen. It's just cardio is nothing but it's your for higher heart and your blood circulation to work fast. Only doing cardio, your muscle is going to become just loose. Okay, so you need to have strength, weight, mobility, all mixture of workouts when you are doing. So until you focus on your goal, you don't know what to do. If you focus only 10 kg 10 kg 10 kg, what is actually you got that weight also you don't know, right? So think what you are aiming for it and work towards it, because focus matters a lot in life. Without focus, nothing. If I ask you to walk on a road, you can, and a straight, this is a straight road, you will keep walking, there is no end to it. But I say 5 kilometers, 2 kilometers, you have a destination to go there, right? So without a destination or a focus or a goal, there is no point you get into a healthy lifestyle or journey. Okay, hope this helps you all and you can have a proper focus. If your stamina level is less, work on that. If you think, okay, I'm overall weight. And one more thing, like most of thing women say when they reach out to me, Usha, I have arm fat, I have thigh fat. See, fats for women are stored in arms, thighs and lower body. Okay, you cannot do a spot reduction until you are going to spend expensive medical care and take out your fat, which is not even healthier, right? So do overall body reduction rather than a spot reduction. And first, love your body. I used to hate my arms, I used to hate my tummy, because I think there's a funny incident. My brother used to say, I'm just fat from my tummy. So I used to laugh at it, because see, guys, fats are stored in their tummy most of the time. So we need to work on overall body to have a better and a fit body, not just only one spot. It's like only my arms are fat, so I will do lot of what you call buy try, and full day you do arm workout, still your arms are not going to get away. It is part of your body. So as your body is getting defined, that is going to define. So stop focusing on one spot reduction. Okay, so fix your goal. Okay, 3 months I give to myself to live a healthy life, because see, weight loss is not a one time process, it is a continuous lifestyle. Okay, so when you have got 10 kg down, then you need to put in a next goal. Okay, can I be more fit, can I be more healthy? This is giving me positivity. I'm feeling good when I go office, I'm having energy to play with my children, I'm having energy to be with my husband or partner. Because most of the time we are losing energy and we are losing interest. Yeah, I will go and sleep. We are becoming so lazy in life. Okay, so just think, what do you want out of your lifestyle, and then make changes. Just everybody is losing weight, it's not that you also have to lose weight. Do you really want to lose weight is what you have to decide. So think, what do you need, what is your body want, and according to your lifestyle you should make changes. You're eating like 4-5 idlis in the mornings, then having about 5-6 meals in a day, and suddenly you go to a dietitian and a trainer, they give you only 2 or 3 meals. Hardly you will follow that for a week, and then you will leave it. Until you're ready for that, you need to commit to what you're going to do, because mindset play a great role. Okay, so hope you get focus in your life and start working towards it and live a healthy life. Take care. Bye bye. Anybody has any question or comment before I go off? Okay, if there is nothing, then bye bye. Have a great day.